Hello everyone, you are watching Naresh IAS Academy YouTube channel. This is the next part on Rajasthan art and culture in English medium only, because the Hindi medium series I have already completed on YouTube channel. You may contact for the offline classes for the RAS and IAS mains exam, and I have discussed the entire GS paper 1 and 2 for the IAS mains exam on YouTube channel, so you may take help. This is the next topic, literature of Rajasthan. Literature of Rajasthan, and I will discuss first of all the two styles Dingle and Pingle. I am writing Dingle with D or Pingle with P. Second, the contribution of Gauri Shankar Hirachand Ojha belongs to the Sohi region. And third is the Sant literature. And next is important text. And again, through the Rajasthani map, I will try to make the presentation the more scientific. Rajasthan is very rich state in its ancient, medieval and the modern literature. So many poetic style and the prose forms over the time have evolved and they have transformed into the various styles. First of all, the Rajasthan poetic styles or the poetry literature have two important styles, and technically these are called the Dingle and the Pingle. Dingle is a poetic styles mainly prevailed in the western Rajasthan or the this belt. Then through the Aravalli region we can divide the Rajasthan into the western or the eastern part. So this is the geographical division of the Rajasthan. This is the Aravalli mountain across the Rajasthan. Okay. Dingle poetic style prevailed or used in the western Rajasthan or Pingle in the eastern Rajasthan. There are some literary features and quite differ to each other. The important text in the Dingle is the Dhola Maru. So Dhola Maru is a Rajasthani folk song also, and mainly spread in the southwest Rajasthan, and this is the part of the Jalore and the Sohi region. And the Dhola Maru text written by the Kallol, and the principal text of the Pingle poetic style is Prithviraj Raso, written by the Chandravardai. Second is what is the contribution of Gauri Shankar Hirachand Oza, who was born in the Sirohi district in Rajasthan and who made the important contribution for the Rajasthani language and script. He has a much of the research work. First of all, who have important work on the ancient script series of Rajasthan and who have traced the development of Rajasthani language and history, and due to which his name has been included in the Guinness Book of the World Record. So then here you can understand what kind of contribution G.H. Oza have made into the Rajasthani language and its literary styles. Third is the Sant literature, also called the literature or some part of literature developed by the different saint tradition of Rajasthan. In the previous videos I have discussed the Rajasthani saint into the two categories. Some saint belongs to the Sagun tradition while others to the Nirgun tradition. Some of the important example I have discussed, this was the Bikaner district, you know the Bikaner district, and where the principal seat of Jasnati sect, the Nirgun tradition, or the Bishnoi sect, again in Bikaner. So then most of text of the Jasnati or Bishnoi sect have been written in the Marwadi language, and it have used the Dingle pattern of the literary style. And you know, this is the Mewat region include the most of part of the Alwar district, and where the two important Nirgun saint, one was the Laldas and second was the Charandas, and finally they founded the Laldasi sect and the Charandasi sect. So Charandas ji written his text and the so many poetic texts into the Mewati language, and also the Dadu Dayal basically belongs to the Gujarat region and finally who settled in the Rajasthan in the Jaipur district, and in Jaipur who made the Narayana as his principal seat. Now the Narayana is the principal seat of Dadu sect. So I am discussing these are the all the Nirgun saint or the tradition of the Nirgun in Rajasthan. Dadu Panth and the Dadu Bani written in the Dunhadi language. So then we can classify the Rajasthani literature according to the Sagun or the Nirgun saints. So I am starting the historical text according to the geographical region of Rajasthan. First of all, I am taking the Bikaner Pencil states, where the Rathod rulers ruled for a long time, and two important texts belongs to the Bikaner region. One is the Rab Jaitsiro Chand, Rab Jaitsiro Chand, written by the Bithu Suja. Rab Jaitsi was the ruler of Bikaner and who fought battle against the Kamran, brother of Mughal Emperor Humayun, and this was written by the Bithu Suja, a courtier of the Bikaner state. And second courtier was the Dayal Das, who wrote the Dayal Dasri Khayat or Bikaneri Khayat. And now this is the geographical region of the Jodhpur, and that time called the Marwad region, and I will discuss the two important texts belongs to the Marwar. One was Banki Dasri Khayat. So Banki Das was the courtier of Marwar princely states who wrote the Banki Dasri Khayat, and second was the Suraj Prakash written by the Karni Dan. And this is the geographical region of the Jalore district, and where a branch of the Chauhan clan, Songara Chauhan, and this was the important ruler Kannad Dev. And Alauddin Khilji, the Sultan of Delhi Sultanate, invaded over the Kannad Dev, and this was written by the Padmanabh. The Padmanabh wrote the Kannad Dev text, in which were mentioned the fighting between the Kannad Dev and Alauddin Khilji, and Padmanabh also have mentioned a love story of the Viram Dev, son of Kannad Dev and daughter of Alauddin Khilji, Firoza. So it is one of the important texts about the history of Jalore and the Delhi Sultanate. What kind of relations Rajasthani rulers maintained with the Muslim Sultan during the 14th century. And this is the Amer state, now called the Jaipur, where the Kachwa rulers ruled for a long time. And when the Mirza Raja Jai Singh was ruling over the Amer state, and this was the courtier Bihari poet who wrote the Bihari Satsai, and one of the important texts. And in the Chauhan dynasty we can discuss, this is the geographical region of the Chauhan in the Ajmer or Shakambari region. Mainly the important ruler was the Prithviraj Chauhan, Prithviraj III. His courtier was the Chandravardai. The Chandravardai also called the Prithvi Bhatt. The Chandravardai wrote the Prithviraj Raso. So I am indicating Prithviraj Raso with the P. The history of Prithviraj Chauhan or history of Chauhans of the Sambar region or Ajmer region. And also this was the Jayanak. Jayanak also wrote Prithviraj Vijay, dedicating to the Prithviraj Chauhan. And this was the second important ruler of the Chauhan dynasty before the Prithviraj Chauhan, Bisal Dev, also called the Vigraraj Chaturth, and Bisal Dev Raso, written by the Narpati Nalle. A branch of the Chauhans of Ajmer later on settled in the Ranthambore region, Ranthambore regions of the Savai Madhopur, and where this was the important rulers of the Hammir, Hammir Singh or Hammir Dev, and two important texts were written on the life of Hammir Singh of the Ranthambore. First, Hammir Raso, written by the Jodhraj, and the Hammir Mahakabya, written by the Nayan Chandra Suri. The two important texts belong to the life of Hammir Dev of the Ranthambore. And also in the South Rajasthan, the Mewar princely states, now the Udaipur, and two important texts we can discuss. One was the Dalpat Vijay. The one of the important courtier of the Mewar was the Dalpat Vijay, important courtier. Dalpat Vijay wrote the Khuman Raso, and Khuman Raso is a historical text about the rulers of the Mewar. And second was the Veer Binod. Veer Binod written by the Syamal Das, and Syamal Das was the courtier of ruler Sajjan Singh of the Mewar, and this is very important text during the British period. Syamal Das highly impressed the British government, and British government awarded the Syamal Das with the title of Kesar Hind due to the Veer Binod, and ruler of Mewar Sajjan Singh also gave title of Kabiraj, king of poets, and Mahamahopādhyay. And in the Hadoti region, this was the Jhalabad region, and the courtier of the Gagron state. In the Jhalabad district, this was the Gagron principal states, and where the ruler was the Achal Das, and the courtier was the Sibdas Garden, who wrote the Achal Das Khichiri Bachnika, dedicated to the Gagron rulers. And the some part of the Hadoti region, we can discuss the history of Bundi states. Two important texts or two important poets regarding the Bundi states. Suryamal Misran belongs to the Bundi states, and Suryamal Misran wrote the Vansvaskar. So I am writing Vansvaskar with the V. Vansvaskar. But before completing the Vansvaskar, who died later on, Vansvaskar was completed by his son Murari Dan. Suryamal Misran also wrote the different texts like the Veer Satsai and Sati Raso, Balbant Bilas, Chand Mayuk. So many texts written by the Suryamal Misran. And second, Chandrasekhar, the courtier of Bundi states, and who wrote the Hammir Hut. Hammir Hut written by the Chandrasekhar. And the Raso literature, the literature of the bravery and the valor of the Rajasthani rulers. So simply we can see the Raso literature in the Albar district. This was the Pratap Raso. The Pratap Raso written in the Albar states and in the Karoli states during the Yaduvanshi rulers. This was written the Vijaypal Raso in the Karoli region, and Khuman Raso in the Mewar by the Dalpat Vijay. Sagat Raso, Sagat Sakti Singh, also called Sagat Singh, was the brother of Mahana Pratap. When the Mughal Emperor Akbar fought Battle of Haldi Ghati in 1576 against the Mahana Pratap, and finally Akbar got victory. And this was the great warrior, the Sakti Singh, brother of Mahana Pratap. A text was written later on, the Sagat Raso, history of the Mewar. And also when the Battle of Haldi Ghati was completed during the Mughal Emperor Akbar, Badayu wrote the description of Haldi Ghati, Battle of Haldi Ghati in the Muntakab-ut-Tawarikh. Muntakab-ut-Tawarikh. Then these are the important texts according to the geographical region written by the most of the courtiers. However, some texts written by the other scholars, but most of literature belongs to the courtiers. So we can say the court literature or the royal literature or the imperial literature. Okay, then you should try to understand the Rajasthani literature in this way, and I will try to discuss the next part on Rajasthani literature, including the modern literature, because so many questions in the various exams conducted by the RPSC have been asked from the modern literature of Rajasthan. So I will try to explain one video over the modern literary development of Rajasthan. Okay, thank you.